Hello there and welcome to Fairyland Cottage, and thanks very much for joining me here today for a relaxing Sunday where we can just take the pressure off ourselves and allow ourselves to do nothing and recharge our batteries. For me, I love getting those activities done that I've been putting off and haven't been giving the time to, like hanging up a picture, which is a lovely gift we got at Christmas, or fixing the strap on this bag that's been just lying around for the last month or two. And really allowing yourself, with no judgment whatsoever, to do just what you want to do by yourself that day. And if you're somebody who feels kind of drained when you're around a lot of people or you're in the very noisy outside world, it can be really beneficial to just have that time that you're spending on your own to really recharge. And in a world that values competition and achieving big external goals, it can be really valuable to be non-judgmental of yourself, doing simple activities that are valuable to you. And seeing the actual achievement in doing nothing. So it's nice to switch off from the world and just take some time by yourself. Really acknowledging and accepting yourself for exactly where you are. Knowing that growth is a gradual process, and every part of that process is absolutely perfect. In a world that can value external achievements, you can take a step back in a detached way and recognize your own inner achievements. Where you've been, how far you've come, and it's different for everybody. You can never thank yourself enough. You can never give yourself enough time to sit there, whether it's climbing a tree, whether it's sitting on a bench or sitting at home, and just giving yourself a break, taking the pressure off, and knowing that you don't need to achieve anything if you don't want to, because life is going to keep going on. You're going to keep taking action every day, making different choices, and that's enough. For these nothing days are actually of huge value. I'll always have some food in the fridge or the freezer that I can heat up. And for me, a day where I do nothing wouldn't be complete without making some cookies or baking some nice treat. I'd love to know down below, what are your things you love to do on a day where you do nothing? And do you really see the benefit of recharging your batteries? I have a link to the recipe down below for anybody who loves peanut butter. So on a day where you do nothing, it's a really nice gift you're giving to yourself of your own company. Loneliness can be very strong in this world at the moment, and yet it's nothing to do with having a lot of people around you. You can be your own best friend. You can really care and nourish yourself. Be kind to yourself. And then the last part of my doing nothing day is just reflecting in a non-judgmental way on the week and getting myself ready and my head clear for the week ahead. Working out some simple recipes I'm going to use during the week and just little things that I'd like to get done. And giving yourself a pat on the back because you've literally spent a day where you've recharged your batteries, ready for the week ahead. So as always, I'll chat to you down below or on Instagram. Have a wonderful week. Keep it simple, and I'll see you in the next video.